It's already engaged, yeah. There's your chop, and there's your spindle.
Okay.
Does that get noise too? And don't forget your readout.
Oh yeah, it's working. Get the spin and the